Ji student, after reading, we will open our English writing book. Open your page number 7. First of all, you have to mention date and day on your page. Saturday, classwork, and here date. Student, we have to identify and circle the object starting with letter B. We will circle bus, Bieber, bus, and Bieber, banana. We will not circle apricot because it does not start with the letter B. Student, now we have to write letter B. Put your pencil at red dot and join the dots with another. Now put your pencil on this dot and join the dot. In this way you can complete your B. Put your pencil on red dot and join the dots with another. Okay students, now you have to write this page within 30 minutes. Inshallah, I will check it after 30 minutes. Students, now page number 8 and page number 9 is your home task. You have to complete these two pages. You have to mention date and day on these pages, and on page number 8 you have to identify and circle the objects. You have to identify and circle the objects starting with letter B and also color them. And here you have to tick the letter. You have to tick the objects made by B. Here the book starts with the letter B. We will circle it, and butterfly, we will circle it. Similarly, you will tick the objects made by B. Students, now page number 8 and 9 will be your home task. You have to complete these two pages. Okay students, best of luck. Allah Hafiz.